Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add Apple ID shipping address on an iPhone. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings. Once you're there, just click on your name here at the very top. Then tap on payment and shipping. Wait for it to load. And if it brings you here, just need to tap on the back button at the top left corner. And here at the bottom of the add payment method, you will see the add shipping address. So just tap on it. And once you're here, you can now fill up your shipping address with your first name, surname, company name, street name, postcode, city, and country. And once you're done, just need to tap in on done on the upper right. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.